So today is just 2022, September the 4th. And yeah, I'm Elon, and this is yet another program I made today with USACO, the 2022 February contest, which is Browns League. And it's problem 2, Photoshoot 2, actually. So this is the question below here, and these are the restriction and the requirement to answer the question. So and this is the input format, this is the output format. You could stop the video to take a look at it if you want to. Okay, now I'm just gonna move on. Okay, so this part is the sample input, is what we should input in the terminal or just in the program, and this part is the sample output. For like what I said, in this example, the cows are exactly already in the desired order, so no modifications are required, so the sample output would be 0. And for this part, there are 5 cows, and the order are all different, and the requirements are a little bit different too. So the sample output will be 2. So in this example, 2 modifications of this, here is one way Farmer John can rearrange his cows, which is right here. Okay, so now we're just gonna move on to my program, which is right here. Okay, so as we can see, the import data is right here, 551324 and 45213. Exactly the same from here. Okay, so let's move on. So for all these parts is for finding the numbers, the last number in both the list, and find out which place they are in the other one. Because since we're moving some of the numbers, so we're just figuring out the list that we're about to move it to, which is the last number in the first list. And then so 2 and 4 are supposed to move to the left. So that's what we're gonna find out at these parts. And this is the main program, which is interesting, I guess. So for this part is while I smart a loop, which is just an infinite loop I made. You can see here the I is equals to 0, so I just reset it every time, so it will never get to 2, and until this. So if the result I get from this loop finally becomes the order I want it to be, it will break out the loop and print the count. But before that, it will just continue to repeat this part forever and forever. Okay, so these are for the update on the information of the list, which is these part, because they're constantly changing, like it said in the question. And for this one is to delete the last content in the list. And this one is to find out where it's supposed to be. And this one is to put it where it's supposed to be. And just to be sure, I did a print cow list here just to make clear of the program. And this one, if last number in order equals cow list loop 1, then loop 1 minus equal 1, which I'm trying to check which the list I got after every loop. For example, if the list changes and the new list, let's count here. So see from here, if the 3, okay, if this 3 and the 3 in this list are at the same place, then it will just count to the last one, which is supposed to be 1. And if 1 is also the same, 2 is also the same, 5, 4 are all the same, then it just move back, and then it will break out the program, which then count how many changes it made, like how many loops. So that will be 2. Okay, so this will be all of my program. Thank you.